Hi everybody, Angel again with the Pioneer Library System. I came up with a few more activities geared towards preschoolers, reinforcing letter recognition, which is a pre-reading skill, important for your child before they start to read to actually recognize their alphabet. Most of my activities today, I've used a set of letters for your refrigerator. They're magnetic, and I've came up with a few activities that you can use those with. The first thing that I've done is a tub of rice. You can use beans, pebbles, rocks, anything. It's a little sensory bin if you would, and I've buried some of the letters in there. I've got a magnet wand. If you don't have one of those, your child can just play in there. We've got some tongs from your kitchen, or some little tweezers that they can use. It gives a little bit more of a challenge to pick up those letters. And then you can have them try to find a certain letter. We can use this activity with the finding the letters in the rice. I've just taken a cookie sheet and taped the letters, written the letters on a piece of paper and taped those onto the cookie sheet. You can write directly on the cookie sheet if you have a nice big Sharpie, and that just wipes right off with alcohol. So I put some of the letters on there so you can see that they're trying to match. You can make this a little bit more difficult if you put the lowercase and they have to find the uppercase to match it. So they can do that with their letters. If your child is small, they can find the letters and just sort them. You can take a muffin tin or any type of tray and let them sort the letters. Just playing with the letters when they're little, it's great for letter recognition. You can talk to them while they're playing and tell them what letter that they have until they can actually recognize it for themselves. So here we've sorted into color groups all of the letters from the rice bin. And then another thing that we can do is take some Play-Doh. We've made Play-Doh before on an earlier video, but you can take store-bought Play-Doh if you want. Take their letters and they can stamp right into the Play-Doh using those magnetic letters. Of course, I would start with their name first. Recognizing the letters in their name is always a good way to start. So we've got Leo here is our name that we've stamped into the Play-Doh. That's a lot of fun. And of course, playing with the Play-Doh is great for their muscles in their hands and those fine motor skills. We've got one more activity, actually two more small activities. I've taken some Easter eggs. You may have some of those around the house right now. I've written the lowercase on one side and the uppercase on the other, so you can let them match the lowercase and uppercase on the eggs. I've made a more of a challenge by using two different colors for each of these eggs, but you can just use the same color and let them try and find it. So we've got A and B. If your child's a little bit older and already starting to read, you can make this a little bit more fun by putting the end of a word. So we've got app, and you can let them find some words and make some words. So we've got zap, or tap, wrap, cap. Lots of little rhyming words that they can try to make with their Easter eggs. So those are just a few activities that we have that will help your child with fine motor skills and with letter recognition. So thank you for joining us today.